Okay, dumaan tayo dito sa church. Nakabot tayo ng devotion, mass. Couples in Christ. Meron silang mass. Hindi natin nagiging agad ang ating kalakasan. Lalo na yung ating edad. Kailangan lakas lang. Iwasan mo karamdaman sa okay, nahanap mo yung ito sa aking medical grade na okay salamat ulit. Thank you very much. Yung aming church, Santo Niño de Taguig Parish Church.